Hi, this is Becky Nunn, and I have a fun set of crystal earrings that I want to show you. These are a new kit that we've just come out with, and they're very fast and easy to make. They come available in this gold color. This is a 24 karat gold plate, and then we also have them in a silver. This is how the kit comes to you, and then you assemble it and make these fun earrings. You'll also need a little bit of E6000, some toothpicks and a Q-tip, and some needle nose pliers, and I'm also using a little bit of rubbing alcohol to clean the bezels. So let me show you how you do this. So the kit comes with all of the parts and pieces that you'll need inside this little bag, so just go ahead and pour those out. The first step we're going to do is we're going to clean the insides of these little bezels. These are cast lead-free pewter, all of the pieces, those pieces and these. These are cast lead-free pewter, and then they're plated with 0.999 binded silver. Just kind of laying this out so you can see how it's going to assemble. And then they are oxidized to give them this antique look. So we're going to go ahead and clean that oxidization on there because it'll make it easier for the glue to adhere to the bezel. So I have a little bit of rubbing alcohol on my Q-tip, and you just smear that around inside of there and just clean up any residue that you might have on the inside of the bezel. If you want to, you can go ahead and clean the outsides as well, and this top part is where some of the residue kind of gathers. So just clean them thoroughly, and you can see how much residue that black oxidization is showing up on my Q-tip there. Let's just do both of them. Alright, now that that's all cleaned up, I have a little tube of E6000, and I like to just squirt it on a little bit of plastic because it's easy for me to move this plastic around on my work surface. Also, when the glue dries, I can just peel it off and reuse the little plastic surface. And just kind of roll your toothpick right inside of that squirt of glue and just smear the glue around the inside edge of the bezel. Then I have a little, this is a Preciosa crystal, and placed right inside of there. And if you have any glue on the outside edge, you can use a clean toothpick to kind of go inside there and clean away any excess that you might have had there. And we'll go ahead and let that dry. Do the other one. The glue starts to harden really fast. Let's go ahead and place a little bit of the glue on the inside edge of the bezel and drop the crystal right in. Alright, pretty simple, huh? So we're done with the glue, and now what we need is a set of needle nose pliers, and this is for basically opening and closing the jump rings and attaching all the pieces together. So to open and close a jump ring, you hold the jump ring at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, and you just pull them. One set of pliers is pushing this way, and the other set of pliers is pulling this way, and that is what opens up the jump ring. So 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, pull and push. Then assembly, you simply just put on the crystal on this one, and then attach this organic hoop onto it, 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock again with the needle nose pliers, and you just close up that loop. Then I didn't quite have that as flushed as I like it to be, so you can go back and just kind of move it back and forth and back, whoops, back and forth until it becomes nice and flushed. Then for the top part, go ahead and open up this jump ring, thread it on the top part of that organic hoop, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, close that back up until that's flush. We have one more jump ring. This is so that the earring will hang correctly. We add on this additional jump ring. Just loop that right. Got the back side showing, but just loop that right around. And then holding at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, close that back up until it's nice and flush. Then we have the last step is to apply the ear wire. And on the ear wire, these are brass and then plated with 0.999 fine silver. Just open that up, loop it onto that last jump ring that we added on, and then just crimp it back together. Just do that right with your thumbnail. And there you have your organic hooped earring. And you can finish the second one. And then again, here they are in the gold plate. So this is 24 karat gold and 0.999 fine silver. These are new kits by Nunn Design, the crystal earrings. This is Becky Nunn with Nunn Design. We hope you've enjoyed watching. Bye!